Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're diving into something that's becoming increasingly vital in today's tech-driven world, the power of collaborative coding and the tools that facilitate it. We're specifically shining a light on GitHub, a platform that has transformed how developers interact, build, and share software. So let's start with a big question. Why is collaboration in coding so important? Well, coding isn't just a solitary journey anymore. It's more like a team sport. Developers need to work together, learn from each other, and share their knowledge and resources. And that's where platforms like GitHub really shine. They allow multiple people to contribute to the same project without stepping on each other's toes. Imagine a group of musicians jamming together. Each musician plays their part, sometimes overlapping, sometimes complementing each other, and at the end of the session, they create something beautiful. That's the collaboration we see with GitHub. When different developers bring their unique skills to the table, the outcome can be innovative and groundbreaking. Now, let's break down some key features of GitHub that enhance this collaborative experience. One of the standout tools is the pull request. A pull request is like a proposal for merging code changes from one branch to another, allowing for discussion and review. It's where the magic of collaboration happens. It's kind of like a team meeting where you present your ideas and everyone weighs in before making a final decision. And what about GitHub Actions? This feature allows developers to automate workflows. Think of it as setting up a playlist for your favorite songs. Once you create it, you can kick back and let the tunes play. Similarly, with GitHub Actions, once you set your automation, it takes care of tasks like testing code or deploying applications for you. This saves time and lets developers focus on creativity rather than repetitive tasks. However, managing collaboration is not always a walk in the park. There can be conflicts when multiple people try to edit the same piece of code simultaneously. It's kind of like when two chefs try to add their flavors to the same pot. Should one chef just step back and let the other do their thing? Or do they need to find a way to blend their ideas? GitHub helps navigate these conflicts through its robust version control system, allowing developers to track changes and resolve issues in an organized manner. Now let's touch on GitHub Discussions. This feature is like having a chat room for developers. It provides a space for open conversations outside of code, where teams can brainstorm ideas, share knowledge, and even ask for help. This is essential because sometimes the best ideas arise in casual discussions rather than formal meetings. And speaking of help, did you know that GitHub also encourages funding for open source developers through GitHub sponsors? This initiative recognizes the hard work of those who develop tools and resources for everyone to use. Imagine being able to contribute to your favorite open source project financially. It's a win-win for both developers and those who benefit from their work. As we wrap up, it's clear that GitHub is more than just a repository for code. It's a vibrant ecosystem that fosters collaboration, innovation, and community. Whether it's through pull requests, automated workflows, or engaging discussions, developers have an array of tools at their disposal. So, why not think about ways you could leverage these collaborative features in your next project? Could GitHub make your coding experience more dynamic and enjoyable? As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic or any personal experiences you might have with collaborative coding. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful discussions next time.